Here is the best goalkeeper ever. Well, actually, no second. What a save! Yeah.
Right. See. What's that? What's that? I was just talking to Grampy. He was raving on about my hill.
He was good.
How good was he?
Extremely.
For Grampy to rave on about, and he must have been good. Very good, eh? Yeah?
Yes, he was very good.
Good, very good. What we doing? What we doing with your do you have to return this to Mr. Main tomorrow, Al?
Yeah.
Alexander?
Yes, I do.
Alexander, just look at me a minute.